Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can bass boost audio on CapCut PC. Select your audio and add in a song. I'm not going to play it though. Then on the bass drop, for instance, like on the beat drop, sorry, you're going to split it. Then you're just going to volume it to you're going to increase the volume of 220 decibels. Then you're going to copy and paste your audio 4 times. And that's pretty much how you can bass boost on CapCut. Again, I can't play the audio, but you're just going to have to try it for yourself to listen to it. And that is how you can bass boost audio on CapCut PC. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.